Students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home. Today we'll see standard 5th subject looking around environmental studies. In that chapter number 15, cold or hot. In the previous video, we have seen part 1. Today we'll see the next part 2 from main 5. In the previous video, we have completed up to main 4. Today we'll see main 5. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. How do you cool some food when it is too hot? Answer is when some food is too hot, I cool it by blowing on it through my mouth, or I just let it be for some time, or I keep it under a fan to cool it. Now see the next question. Question number 2. Why does a mirror become moist and hazy when we blow air on through our mouth? Sometimes we have seen that on mirror some water drops we can able to see. So why it's happen? So see the answer. The air that we blow out through our mouth is warm. The air that we blow out through our mouth is a warm, and the mirror is a cold in comparison. The warm air that we breathe out contains water vapor. When this water vapor comes in contact with the cold mirror, it is turned into tiny droplets of water. This makes the mirror moist and hazy. Now see the next page. See the question number 3. If you have to cool these 3 hot things, dal, roti, rice, in which ways would you do so? Answer is, I would take the dal and pour it from one bowl into another and back again. By doing this for some time, I will cool dal. Next point, I will make 4 pieces of the roti and then blow on it to cool it. Next point, I will take the rice in a dish and spread it into a thin layer to cool it. Now see the next question, question number 4. We blow air to cool hot things as well as to warm them. Give one example of each. Answer is, an example of a hot thing becoming cool on blowing on it. By blowing on a hot pakora, it cools down quickly. An example of a cold thing becoming warm on blowing on it. By blowing hard and continuously on the fingers that have become cold due to holding ice, they warm up quickly. See the question number 5. How does the air from the mouth help in cleaning the spectacles? Answer is, due to the moisture that is present in the air coming out from the mouth, the glass become hazy. These are extremely small droplets of water. On wiping with a clean cloth, the glasses become clean. Now see main 6 answer in brief. See the question number 1. For which other activities do you blow air from your mouth? Answer is, I blow air from my mouth to do the following activities. Point 1. To whistle. Point 2. To light a chula with a pipe. Point 3. To remove dust from clothes or other things. Point 4. To clean spectacles glasses. Point 5. To rotate a pinwheel. And point 6. To inflate a balloon. Now see the question number 2. Can you name some things which produce melodious and pleasing sound when we blow into them? Answer is yes. I can name some things which produce melodious and pleasing sounds when we blow into them. They are as follows: the flute, the bean, the senai, the harmonium, the sitar, and the guitar. Now see main 7. Classify the following musical instruments into those played by blowing air through the mouth or by creating vibrations by striking, stretch, leather, or strumming wires. First of all, we will see the words given. Okay, musical instruments given that we see: flute, dholak, bean, tanpura, pava, mouth organ, guitar, sitar, bagpipe, mridang. Now see, you have to classify it instruments played by blowing air. The blowing air that are flute, bean, pava, mouth organ and bagpipes, and instruments played by striking stretched leather that are dholak and mridang, and instruments played by strumming wires that are tanpura, guitar and sitar. Now we will see the next page. That's our HOTS question. Choose the correct alternative from those given below each question and write its index later in the box provided against each question. See the number 1. What is the effect on a hot thing when we blow on it? A. It becomes hotter. B. It cools down. C. It becomes light. And D. There is no effect. Answer is option B. It cools down. Now see the next question. What did Mian Balestyle think the woodcutter was? A. A magician. B. A ghost or a jinn. C. A wild animal. And D. A celestial being. Answer is a ghost or a jinn. Now see the next question, question number 3. Which musical instrument is played by creating vibration on the stretched leather? A. The flute. B. The cymbals. C. The tabla. And D. The sitar. Answer is the sitar. Option D. The sitar. The sitar is played by creating vibration on the stretched leathers. Now see the question number 4. What is a stethoscope used for? A. To count a person's breaths. B. To count the person's heartbeats. To measure the temperature. To measure blood pressure. Answer is option B. To count a person's heartbeats. Now here your chapters completed. We will see the next chapter in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy. Okay, bye.